How they thrive in their glory, whatever color they turn out to be, however assigned. I learned the joy of the flowers long ago, each spring hoeing weeds as directed by the Kansas farmer with his straight rows and ordered colors. Thank you. One more short poem, the shortest one I know. Cold beer sold here. I'll be back in a little bit. Just had a little warm up tonight, but we'll be back in a little bit. Thanks for coming out. Love me tender, love me true.
Dad?
My darling.
Taylor? Oh,
Valerie? Valerie? What?
What are you doing
What are you
here?
doing here?
I asked you first. And where's Mom?
She's safe. Go away.
No, wait! Dad! Where's Mom? I went to go pick her up at the funeral home and you took her.
No, you took her. You took her from me. You had her cremated.
She wanted to be cremated.
Cremated. I wanted to be cremated, Dad. Remember? I told you that.
What did you say?
She told me after Aunt Sadie died.
But that isn't what I wanted. I wanted her to be by me, up on the hill.
But she had a home on my mantle. She was going to be on my mantle to look out for me.
She had a home here. I spent the last 5 years driving across this country 6 times, 38,000 miles, trying to find a place for her.
And what are you doing here?
Do you want to come in?
Yeah, why won't you talk to me?
You quit talking to me.
Dad, I had a lot of stuff going on that year. And Aunt Sadie died and Mom died in the same year. And your hearing? Did you ever get a damn hearing aid? Why won't you just talk to me?
You asked me how I got here. All these years I just couldn't come here. Isabel's getting pretty tired. I'm getting pretty tired. This is where your mom and I had our first kiss, 1958, USC-UCLA game, football game. I never had the nerve to come here. I couldn't find anywhere else. palms that kept me going. Buy a little gas, new tires. I think I found a place for her. Over by the gate. So there's roses there. She always loved roses.
I think that's a really good idea. And I actually never got a place with a mantle, no matter where I lived.
It's heavy.
You know, most people might be a little superstitious keeping an urn inside of an RV.
Never had any ghosts that I know of. But she kept me company. I think it's time.